Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art for another How to Draw tutorial, and I'm Mr. Woods. And I've had a lot of people get excited about my last How to Draw tutorial where I showed you guys, my friends at home, how to draw Baby Yoda. This time, I'm going to show you how to draw Chewbacca.
Chewie, come here.
So, grab your pencils, sketchbooks, and your colored pencils, and let's begin. So in this how to draw tutorial, we're going to use simple shapes and we're going to sketch out a Chewbacca. So what I need is kind of an egg shape right here because we're going to have kind of a large head, little body. We're just making, a cartoon. Come back in here with another kind of oval shape. That's for the body. Somewhat of a rectangle here for the arm. And maybe a little bit of kind of a cone-shaped triangle. That's going to be the hand pointing. We're going to have the other one going up, so just bring it, curve it a little bit, have a point at the top, kind of a triangular point, and then this leg's going to come coming out, so it's going to be kind of a rectangle coming forward, and this foot gets a little bit wider at the bottom, and then the second foot he's kind of have it a little bit behind him. Here we go. Now let's start adding his face in. So I'm going to give myself a guideline right here, and that's going to divide the left and the right side. We're going to see more of this side than this one because of the way the head being angled. Start by giving him a little bit of a nose, and then here's where his eyes are going to be. So his eyes are going to be, they look large, but that's just going to be where the darker brown is going to be located. And come back in, make them a little bit smaller, give him some pupils, and then we'll give him some nostrils. And then let's think about the hair. It's going to be coming around that eye. And he always seems to have his hair come straight back. Do that, and at the end just kind of make your line around the head a little wavy, a little bit of a curve to your line. Now it's going to come down, and we're going to get to his mouth. This is what's really going to make him look more like Chewbacca. His mouth's going to be open, so we have this little bit of a shape like that right there. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always stop, pause, rewind. Right there's his mouth. And then let's give him some fangs. All they are just kind of a triangle-shaped point. Teeth. Bring this hair down this direction. You know what? I'm going to bring this top of his head up a little bit more. Bring this out. He kind of has a beard. This comes around a little bit. Here we go. Oh yeah. We're getting him. Maybe put that pupil more there. So sometimes you have to do some adjustments after you get it penciled in. Change it up. Sometimes a little bit of a change to an angle of a line. Change the mood of the picture. There we go. We got a good start here. Now we're just going to put this arm up. And it's going to get a little bit wider than it was. Come down. This one coming out. We'll add a little bit of detail to it, so it's a little bit wider than I had it initially. And right here I want in this location. I want to put kind of like a rectangle to begin with, and then I'll curve it around, give a slight indication of a thumbnail. Give us the idea that he's pointing. Now he has his little artillery belt. And it's going to go up over this shoulder so you can slightly see it. And this leg's going to come over the top of it, so it's going to be hidden. A little overlapping. Now give it the idea of the furs overlapping as well. And get this. We're going to get this leg out here a little bit further. And now let's go ahead and put some larger rectangles on it, and then a little strap holding those pieces in. Add an extra spot right there to make it look a little 3D. So that'll be the leather. This will be the actual cartridge, and this is the edge of the cartridge. There we go. And the hair is just kind of sporadic. You don't want it to go all in the same direction. And then what's nice about Chewbacca is we don't really see any toes on this on a cartoon version. So just give him some hair down here. A few lines. Remember, less is always going to be better than just, overdoing it. So sometimes you have to just kind of stop. It's kind of his knee area. And let's make this kind of a satchel behind him here, like it's hooked onto his bag and it's behind him. And to come around, like you just go through the leg without really drawing a line. That way the line looks like it's even with itself. Oh yeah, there we go. So I have him drawn in, outlined, then I erase my pencil marks, and I'm going to be coloring using some just brush markers, and I'm going to try out just various colors. Remember, he's not completely brown. He's going to have some tans, some oranges, and throw in some cast shadows underneath, and just finish it off with just various colors. And also, if you want to really emphasize his overall fur, add some color in the background. So this is going to be so awesome. Can't wait to see your finished Chewbacca. So when you're done, upload it on my Facebook page. It's so cool that you decided to draw with me right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date on all my how to draw tutorials, time-lapse videos, and so much more. And when you're finished drawing Chewbacca today, post it on my Facebook page. I can't wait to see it. So remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.